I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus thicker, easy method. Start by draining 1 can chickpeas while reserving 2 tablespoons aquafaba, then simmer that aquafaba to concentrate flavor and thickness. Peel a few chickpeas for extra creaminess, add 2 tablespoons tahini, 1 clove garlic, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Blend on high until ultra smooth, adding oil slowly to reach the texture you want. Warm your blender by running it for 10 seconds with a little oil to help emulsify the mixture. Add tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and reserved aquafaba, then process until silky. Slowly stream in 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil while blending to create a stable emulsion. If too thin, add a few reserved peeled chickpeas and pulse to thicken without losing smoothness or flavor. If your hummus feels loose, add 4 to 6 peeled chickpeas and blend until thicker and creamier. For a silkier feel, try 1 or 2 ice cubes or 1 tablespoon cold water, adding very little at a time. Adjust lemon, salt, and garlic to taste, and finish with 1 tablespoon extra tahini if you want richer body. Chill for 30 minutes to let flavors settle before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.